Let's talk about what is usually included and available in a business contract with Friendly PC. We are focusing more and more on businesses and providing the most premier IT support in Omaha, bringing new services into the plans to give businesses more options to help expand and grow their capabilities. It all starts with the tools and the knowledge that those tools will be managed to function properly so you can focus on what you do best. What we usually find in a business contract are those four main features or categories: security, continuity, infrastructure, and IT solutions. These services offer a great, well-rounded plan that is prepared for anything your business can throw at it. Within the branch of security, we have managed endpoint protection, data protection and compliance, network and email security, and security assessment. And now on to continuity. For continuity, data insurance, disaster prevention and recovery, email archiving and backup, file sharing, along with the data backup guarantee. Building from the ground up and maintaining your core infrastructure, we offer IT solutions, network design, implementation and monitoring, patch management and monitoring, data redundancy, desktop and server virtualization. And when an update or an issue comes up, we got your back with IT solutions. Server and workstation procurement, remote working solutions, Microsoft 365 deployment, Azure cloud services, customized monthly support plans. But not every business is the same, so it's really customizable for everybody. Some other services can be added on. For business support plans, call me today, 402-965-3300.